satisfied with the result, not with the performance of the team. I think the first 10 minutes we are very nervous. Every player on the pitch made mistakes, and Costa Rica has 2 or 3 big chances to score a goal. After the 10 minutes we are getting better. We have many chances, many good chances. The team, I know the team, I know the players. Normally they strike all chances. Today we have luck to win the game because we don't strike.
The question is, Costa Rica played a good game, but what was missing in order to win this match?
Buenas noches, todos primero. Duro recibir una derrota en el minuto 82 cuando habíamos tenido algunas opciones.
Yeah, well, of course, it's very hard to lose a match in the 82 minutes. We had very good chances, but well, we didn't take advantage of the chances. We actually analyzed Germany. We knew how to play them. We tried to put pressure, but of course they are physically very strong, and they didn't let us do our game. Still, the key thing was that we missed a lot of good goal chances that we created, and that's why well, we didn't win tonight.